go to e6 because there's knight e7. And if the queen moves back to d8, then there's d3 and there's a pin on the knight. So black loses the piece. Anand missed this and he played bishop f5 in the game and he went on to lose this game. So here the best move in this position can be just taking on knight c3, and after takes, black can just develop his pieces to bishop e7 and castle. I'm giving another slightly easier maiden rule. Let's see who gets it first. So find a way where black gets a move to play in this position and is brought out of stalemate. Try thinking the first move somewhere you can move the bishop. Now if you move the bishop to b2, black has no move. Right? It's a draw. It's a stalemate. If you move it to c3, again the same thing. So where can you move the bishop? Yeah, I think coming.
Bishop to f6,
Yes.
and g takes f6, and king to f8, pawn to f4, and knight f7.
Yeah, that's the correct answer. Good job. Very well done.